Here are the two parts I'm making in this video. They're the moving jaws for my vices. Here's the 2-inch jaw, and then the jaw for the 3-inch vise. They all use the same tools except for the drilled holes in the back. The big thing about this video for me is I don't use a tailstock. I'm just bolting these straight to the driver plate. The 2-inch vise uses a 3/8 16 bolt torqued 14 foot-pounds. The 3-inch vise uses a half 13 bolt torqued 30 foot-pounds. So there's a bit of room for more torque if needed. The way I'm doing this currently for this machine, where I'm just bolting the rotaries or the vices to the rotaries, is I've got basically an adapter plate that gets bolted to the rotary, and then I use these plates, different ones for different vices that fit in the dowel pin holes. That's for the 3-inch vise. This is for the 2-inch vise. Probably be better, a little more accurate if I'd make them just one style for each vise instead of using two pieces and include these as one piece. Anyway, I will show the vices in more detail in the next video. I'm only using one of the 4 stations on these vices because my runs are so small, it's not worth it yet.